In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags in TradeZella. Now, this may be a bit hidden, but it's still very easy to do, so just follow me. Now, the first thing you have to do to be able to add tags is, of course, you must first create them. So you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom left, and then you want to go to Settings. And inside Settings here, you want to go to Tags Management on the left here under General, and then you want to swap over to Tags up top. Now here you can just add a tag, give it a name, give it a basically tag type over here, and then you can also give it a description. I've created one which is called a FOMO over here just for this tutorial, and you could also add in different categories if you want to. Now once you have that set up, you want to go back to your tracking and you want to go to Day View over here on the left hand side. Now here you want to go ahead and basically select the specific day you want to view the day view of. So for example, I'm going to do this random Friday over here. You want to expand it by clicking on this button, and then down here you'll be able to see your different positions. Scroll to the right using this slider, and then to the very far right you'll be able to see it says tags. You can click on this plus to add a tag, and you can then select the tag over here. I'm going to select FOMO, and you could also of course select the custom tags here, and then you can just basically click this X button over here, and your tag will be added to your trade, to your position. Okay, you can also click on manage tags over here, which is going to take you directly back here inside your settings, where you can then play around and add different tags as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.